First light touches the snow-capped peaks of the Dhauladhar range, painting the sky in strokes of gold and rose. Here in Dharamshala, where heaven meets earth, every sunrise brings the promise of tradition dancing with change. The golden spire of Namagyal Monastery catches the first rays, while prayer flags flutter in the crisp mountain air, carrying ancient mantras across valleys where wisdom has dwelt for millennia. In McLeodganj's waking streets, the aroma of fresh Tibetan bread mingles with mountain air and incense. Elderly monks in crimson robes circle the Dalai Lama temple, their practiced hand-spinning prayer wheels that have marked time for generations. Yet beside these ancient rhythms, young monks capture the morning's beauty on smartphones, sharing their heritage with a global audience hungry for mountain wisdom. At Namagyal Monastery, Geshe Lobsang begins his morning teachings. His deep voice carries ancient wisdom, while his students take notes on tablets. This is today's Himalayas, where centuries of knowledge find new voices through technology. The monastery's custom-built app helps new generation monks master complex ceremonial sequences, ensuring traditions pass unbroken to future generations. Down in the Kullu Valley, the Kumar family prepares for the grand Dashahara festival. Grandmother's skilled hands craft traditional decorations, her movements precise from decades of practice. Beside her, her granddaughter manages an Instagram page documenting these preparations, connecting their valley's ancient festivities with admirers worldwide. Their story is the story of the Himalayas, tradition finding new wings through modern connections. The villages of Himachal Pradesh pulse with wedding season preparations. In Palampur, the Sharma family's home buzzes with activity as three generations prepare for a celebration where past meets present. Traditional Gaddi shepherds' music mingles with curated playlists, while ancient ceremonies stream live to family members across the globe. Here, celebration means honoring roots while embracing change. In a sunlit workshop in Kullu, Master Weaver Vidya Devi's hands dance across her loom, creating the renowned Kullu shawls that have warmed mountain people for centuries. The patterns she weaves tell stories of valleys and peaks, of changing seasons and enduring traditions. Her daughter, armed with a business degree, manages their online boutique, bringing these woven stories to appreciative customers worldwide. Each shawl carries mountain heritage into modern wardrobes. The Kangra Arts Promotion Society hums with creative energy as young artist Priya Thakur bends over her work. Her brush strokes follow techniques perfected over centuries of miniature painting tradition, yet her themes speak to contemporary audiences. Ancient pigments mixed by hand bring to life modern stories, proving that artistic heritage can evolve while staying true to its roots. In Mandi's ancient marketplace, fourth-generation silversmith Rajesh Kumar's workshop represents the perfect blend of old and new. Traditional hammers and tools that have shaped precious metals for generations now work alongside 3D printing technology. Each piece of jewelry that leaves his workshop carries the soul of mountain craftsmanship enhanced by modern precision. Morning in Beer brings paragliders floating against mountain peaks, while in the village below, the Thakur family's tea shop serves steaming cups of Himalayan hospitality. Three generations share their ancestral home while running a successful adventure tourism business. Grandfather's knowledge of mountain weather patterns combines with grandson's digital marketing skills, creating experiences that delight visitors from across the globe. Through the winding lanes of Dharmkot, the scent of fresh-baked croissants mingles with traditional spices. Here, return travelers have created cafes where local ingredients meet global cuisines. Young artists sketch in corners while digital nomads work on laptops, all drawing inspiration from the timeless peaks above. This is where mountain tradition meets world culture, creating something uniquely modern yet deeply rooted. In the government senior secondary school of Naddi village, students gather for morning assembly where Sanskrit shlokas are followed by coding classes. The solar-powered computer lab hosts sessions where grandparents share traditional knowledge, carefully documented by the younger generation. These children navigate multiple worlds with ease, equally at home on mountain trails and in digital spaces. The Green Valley Initiative transforms traditional homes into sustainable stays, where ancient architecture meets modern eco-consciousness. Solar panels gleam on slate roofs while traditional mud-insulated walls keep rooms naturally comfortable. In the garden, organic vegetables grow using age-old mountain techniques, providing fresh ingredients for guests from around the world. High in the Kullu Valley, the Sharma family's apple orchards showcase agriculture's evolution. Drones monitor tree health while traditional organic farming practices nurture the soil. Their cold storage facility, powered by renewable energy, helps maintain the perfect temperature using both modern technology and architectural wisdom passed down through generations. At Dr. Amrita's clinic in Palampur, patients find healing that bridges worlds. Traditional herbs, their properties documented in her digital database, complement modern treatments. Her telemedicine setup connects remote mountain villages to specialist doctors, while her apprentices learn both the ancient wellness wisdom and contemporary medical science. As the sun climbs higher, the Nobulinga Institute's artisan workshops come alive. Here, traditional Tibetan arts find contemporary expression. Master craftspeople train young apprentices in centuries-old techniques while innovative designs emerge from their collaboration. In the Institute's digital archive, every brush stroke and carving technique is preserved for future generations. The afternoon light fills the Andretta Pottery Studio, where the legacy of Nora Richards lives on through young ceramicists. Their wheels spin with electric power, but their hands shape clay with timeless skill. Modern kilns fire pots that carry traditional motifs, while their workshop hosts online classes connecting mountain craft to global audiences. In the bazaars of Noorpur, traditional food artisans adapt to changing times. The century-old halwai shop now takes online orders, while maintaining the secret recipes passed down through 5 generations. Next door, a young chef experiments with traditional ingredients, creating fusion dishes that honor local flavors while appealing to contemporary tastes. The Dharamshala International Film Festival venue prepares for evening screenings. Local stories find global audiences as mountain filmmakers share their narratives through digital cinema. In the audience, traditional musicians sit beside film students, all part of the evolving cultural tapestry of these hills. As evening approaches, the Himalayan Buddhist Cultural School welcomes its evening students. Young professionals attend traditional philosophy classes after their workday, while monks learn digital skills to share their teachings online. The school's library houses ancient texts alongside computers, each supporting the other in preserving and spreading mountain wisdom. The setting sun paints McLeodganj's streets in gold as the evening aarti begins at Bhagsunak Temple. The ancient bells ring out across valleys now crossed by wireless networks. Devotees share ceremony photos on social media while maintaining the sanctity of age-old rituals. This is spirituality in the digital age, rooted in tradition yet branching into new forms of expression. Night falls over the Kangra Valley, but the stories continue. In a community center in Siddhabadi, young musicians blend traditional mountain instruments with electronic beats. Their music reaches global streaming platforms while staying true to the rhythms of their ancestors. Each song becomes a bridge between centuries. The stars emerge above Triund, where trekking camps offer experiences that honor the mountains. Solar-powered lights illuminate traditional cooking demonstrations, while guides share ancient trail knowledge through GPS-marked maps. Here, adventure tourism meets environmental consciousness, creating sustainable livelihoods that protect mountain heritage. In homes across these peaks, families gather for evening meals. Traditional brass utensils serve food cooked on modern induction stoves, while grandparents share stories with children both present and connected through video calls. These nightly gatherings maintain the bonds of community across distances that once seemed insurmountable. The Dhauladhar ranges stand sentinel in the moonlight, their eternal peaks watching over valleys where change and tradition move in an endless dance. Tomorrow will bring more innovations, more adaptations, more ways of preserving and sharing the wisdom of these mountains. Yet through it all, the essential spirit of the Himalayas remains, resilient, adaptable, eternal. This is the northern crown of India, where ancient trails lead to tech startups, where traditional arts find global markets, and where every innovation grows from roots as deep as the mountains themselves. In these valleys, the future rises as majestically as the peaks, while staying as grounded as the ancient stones. As night deepens, the last lights twinkle in mountain villages. Prayer flags flutter in the darkness, carrying timeless mantras across valleys bridged by wireless signals. Tomorrow will bring another dawn, another day of tradition meeting innovation, another chapter in the endless story of these magnificent mountains. For here in India's northern crown, every moment is a bridge between epochs, every craft carries centuries of refinement, and every innovation grows from wisdom as old as the peaks themselves. This is where past and future meet, where tradition doesn't just survive but thrives, and where the eternal mountains keep watch over it all. The Himalayan night cradles dreams both ancient and new, while the eternal snows guard their secrets. And in countless homes across these mystic hills, people rest and prepare for another day of writing their chapter in the mountains' endless story, a tale of tradition, innovation, and the timeless spirit of adaptation that makes these peaks not just survive, but thrive in our ever-changing world. End of script.